All right, everybody, the shoulder punch sweep. Let's see this here real quick, ladies and gentlemen. You got to really pinch right here on the wrinkle, right behind the shoulder. Oh, yeah. Now, let me tell you the secret here, okay? Pay attention. 1 minute. That's it. No more, no less. Pull the shoulder, okay, close to you. Look my head. My head moves out of the way. Then I push. My head moves out of the way. Look how far I turn. I'm already going. Now a little crunch here. Look. Underhook. Oh, yeah. Now, the elbow right there is on the face. I don't know if you guys noticed. As I pull the underhook up, point the elbow to the ceiling, sweep the guy, and get on top. Oh, yeah. Now, let's do it again. I want to change the angle here. Okay? So, punch, turn, underhook, lift, elbow up, punch down.